Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today, we'll show you how to completely uninstall WPS Office in Windows 11 PC or laptop, step by step. If WPS Office is open on your computer, make sure to close or exit it first. This is important to avoid any interruption during the uninstallation. Click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen, then type Control Panel in the search box. From the search results, click on Control Panel. This is the main place where you can manage programs and system settings. Inside the Control Panel, look for the option called Programs and Features and click on it. This is where all the installed software is listed. From the list of installed programs, scroll down and find WPS Office. Click on it once to select it. Now look at the top menu bar and click on the Uninstall Change button to start the removal process. A pop-up will appear asking for your permission. Click Yes to confirm that you want to uninstall the program. You'll be asked to select a reason for uninstalling. You can choose Other Reason or pick any option that fits your case. Next, click on the Uninstall button to begin removing WPS Office from your computer. There will be an option to delete all files related to WPS Office in the installation folder. Select this to make sure everything is removed. Click on the Clear button to continue. This will clean up the leftover files from your system. Now wait patiently for the uninstallation process to finish. It may take a few moments depending on your system. Once it's done, close the Control Panel. WPS Office will now be fully removed from your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tech videos.